All right, here we are, Gold and Dragon 2. We got the progressive pick. There's the progressives, 750 bet. Let's get it. Minor. Grand, yeah. Don't know, we don't want that one. Major, yep. Nope. Grand it, do the grand it. Major it, do the major it. Mini, 24.18. Dragon said, I'm cheap. There you go. You won my progressive. Progressive winner. So we won it back to back. Do it, come on. All right, there you go. Gold and Dragon 2. Good luck, y'all. All right, we are Dragon Lights. We got the mega. Is it a mega win? Let's see. Dollar bet. Come on, 15x and add wilds. Let's do this. That's not it. Come on. All right, add it 5 times. Add them all. Just put a full screen. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. At least that's something, right? $5, let's do more. Come on. $1.20. All right, 15, 10. Can you do wilds? You're supposed to do wilds. Come on. All right. Yes, all right. 5 of a kind. Come on. More. 570. All right, 20 games left, Dragon. What do you got? Where was your wilds? Come on. Oh, do it. Just do it. Anything. Come on. Come on. All right. $12.90, do it again. All right, $1.50, do more. Wild. $2.70. All right, come on, 15, now go wild. 66. All right, knew you could do it. Man, just imagine 5 of a kind. Why didn't you go wild? Thought it was a wild dragon. Come on. All right, let's do it. 8 games left. Come on, just do a full screen of this. Yes. All right. 5 of a kind. Come on. On the line. Right here. More. 1950. All right, come on, Dragon, wake up. Do it again. No, that's not it. 5 games left. 15. Now, do wilds. Oh. All right, go wild. No, now go wild. $19. All right, now we just need you to go wild. Now go wild. Come on. No, that's not it. $8 holler. Come on. Now add wilds. Just add 5 wilds straight across. Or not. Man, where was it right here? I actually went it. This one goes up higher. That's like the best one. All right, we're winners. They said massive win. All right, and that's where we'll stop on the Dragon Lights. Good luck, y'all. All right, you know what that is? That is the treasure box, the Dynasty, the $1 holler and 2 cent denom. Let's go. Yes, we have to get the full screen. Yes. Wait, just kidding. We gotta get the treasure box. Treasure box. gosh, I need a treasure box. I need to put all of these treasures in the box. And times 5. Times 5. What is going wrong here? Alright, gotta do this semi-professional button pressing. Let's go. Nailed it. Get one. Oh yeah, semi-professional button pressing. That is the bestest. Alright, let's get this. Oh my gosh, we got the mini, we got a treasure chest, winners, some professional button pressing. Yeah, yo. Oh, ruby me. Yeah. Oh, what is going on here? Ruby emerald treasure, do it. No. Wow. I remember 2 cent now. I'm so just under $20. 19.90. Yep. Alright, I was hoping for more, but hey, we got the bonus and it didn't take a bajillion dollars. So there you go, treasure box of Dynasty. Good luck, y'all. Oh my gosh, we nailed it. Gold and Dragon 2. Golden or gold and 750 max bet. Oh my gosh, we gotta pick one. What do you pick? Which one? You know what? Never had this bonus before. I want more spins. Let's do it. 15 games. 2 times multiplier, Unreal 1. Let's get this. Retrigger, please. Please. Just one more. You need one more. Oh, that'd been epic. Nest. Alright, let's give one full screen or more. Full screen. Oh. Do the progressive too. Full screen, do it now. Progressive, me a winner. Alright, 64.80. Okay, do it again. Next time, bring your friend. Yeah. No. Progressive pot. Do it. Oh. Alright, 7 spins left. Come on. Do it. Oh. Yes. No. Come on, spin it. Yes. Oh, where was the one up front? Come on, you can do it. 1920. More bigger, better. Come on. Do it. Come on, do it. Alright. Big hit. Come on. No. 91.50. Dragon, come on. Was okay. Do it again. Man. Alright, there you go. Dragon and Gold 2. Good luck, y'all. Alright, here we are at Cash Falls to winning. 570 now, I'm not 250 bad. Pirate Meal. Let's do this. Fill 'em in for the win. Yeah. Mo bigger better. Come on, Mo. Yeah. No. Fill it up. Come on, hook it up on the end. Just get like full screen. Come on, fill it in. Yes, nailed one. Get it. Yeah. Gosh, it's gonna be a million times. Stop. Keep going. 4. Yeah. Spin it, win it, land it. Do it. No. Come on, 3 more. Do it. Please. Tell somebody we're a winner. Get it. Tell them. Oh. Yes, come on. Yes. God, no, I wasn't even paying attention. I was busy. It costed too much. Too much attention. 8 or 10, do it again. 5. No. Guys, double it. Yeah. Wait, one more. Try it back to it. Do it. Yes. Got it. I thought we were done. Gosh, this is great. Spin it, win it. Alright, stop. No, keep going. Oh. My gosh, I'm a winner. Yeah. Alright, $50 on the first one. 55 there. 50 there. Then you are the winner of the game. Yeah. 190 something. 190. Back to back. Get it. Oh my gosh, they said one more. Don't fall on the floor. Spin and win. Do it again. And one more. And that is it. Cash falls. Good luck, y'all. Oh my gosh, here we are back at it. Treasure Box Dynasty. Yes, and that is $1. Just kidding. 10-cent denom $5 bet. $18 haul. Let's go. Let's multiply it. Let's put it in the box. Let's make it grow bigger. Yes. Emerald me? Go. Come on, let's get those. Yeah. We need that treasure box, please. Oh my gosh, we need that diamond. 2. Yeah. 2 in an extra spin. Not extra spin, but reset to 3. Treasure box me. Now we have the extra spin. Oh yes, I can tell. And the treasure box. Let's bring it back. Alright, we have 3 spots. We need a progressive, we need a winner, a treasure box. Oh, touched it for good luck. Alright. Do it again. Come on. 3 spins for the wins. Those are the wins. Let's get them. Treasure box. Oh. Treasure box, please. No. Wow. Alright, that one was quick as well. 58.50 for the win with the spin. Do it again. Not now, maybe next time though. Yeah. 4-point trigger, resets to 6. Treasure box of Dynasty. Good luck, y'all. Alright, here we are. Gold and a Dragon 2. 225 bet. Progressive pick. Grand me. Yes, please. Sure. Okay. Yes. Not. Yep. Not. Yes. Major. 575.45. Yeah, Dragon. That's right. This is shortly after our bonus that we did not win on, but we won the major. Oh my gosh, they said massive win. Do it again. Tic-tac-toe. Winner for show. Yeah. Alright, back of spin. Sure, why not? Bonus. We did not get the bonus, but we did well on Dragon Gold and Dragon 2. Good luck, y'all. Alright, here we are, Dragon Lights. Winner, $2 holler. We got the minor game. Why? Because we're semi-professional button pressers. Yep. Alright, 30 free games. Let's get 5x all the time. Wake your butt up. Come on. Be a wild tiger. Every spin for a win. Let's go. Come on, 2x. That's not it. Let's add the wilds. Get a win. Fourth game out of 30. Alright, first win, 660. Step it up. Yeah. Now go wild. Line it up. $4 for that. Should have got like a solid screen of those. Been great. Some wilds. Can you do the wild? Do the wild. Do the wild, tiger. Come on, tiger. Wake up. Whoosh. Full screen. Oh my gosh, I woke him up. He said, I forgot your wilds. Come on, go wild. Is that a wild flower? Come on, Mo Big Better. Let's get this. We gotta get this. Come on, Frogger. Alright, 15 down, 15 to go. Tiger, wake up. My gosh, he woke up. 5 of a kind wilds, please. More, bigger, better, winner. Oh, 960. Alright, let's do it. Mo Big Better. Spin and spin, win again. Yeah. Alright, we got 11 games left. We need the tiger to wake up. We need the pace to line up. He said 5x, can you go wild? He said, not right now. How about now? Can you go wild, please? He said, here's a lantern, light it up, $15 holler. Alright, come on, go wild, 5x, $5 million win, let's do it. 5x, go wild. No, was not a... Oh, I guess $4 holler. Alright, let's get this. Wake it up. No. Alright, he said 5x with wilds. He said no wilds, but now. Alright, now get wild. He didn't go wild. Come on. It's a wildflower, 1620. Let's do it. Lantern it up, $6 holler. That was just okay. That's just okay. Oh my gosh. You win, I win. Big win. Do it again. Should we do it again? Should back to back? Major. Didn't get it. Oh my gosh. We'll have to take a break there. Dragon Lights. Good luck, y'all. Alright, here we are at the Treasure Box Dynasty. Yeah. 4 coins. What are we betting? 270 $2 bet. Why? Because there's 4 coins. Let's get this. Volume it up. Locked and loaded. Ready to win it. Oh, it's been good. $10 right there. Oops. Too quick. Oh, bring it back to key. Catch key. Oh. And catch it. Oh, nailed it. See that? Semi-professional button pressing. Hiya. Got this. We gonna get this? Got it live. Live it up. Might as well keep her going. Oh, yeah. Into the treasure box and put our treasures. Yes, we will take some jewels. But we need the treasure box to collect those jewels. Whoosh. Do it, do it, do it. Oh my gosh, whoosh it again. I wish I had a treasure box right now. Wish I had it now. What is going on here? Should we poke the treasure box? Hello? One more, get it, come on, that one. Anything? Nothing. No, that was so quick. And so, could have been so much better. We got it, but we didn't even win $10. Alright, and that is where we stop. Treasure box, Dynasty. Good luck, y'all.